Hello guys, a new mining video for a new bot. It's bumsbot. This is supported by Blam coin. Also, it's a verified bot. It will be launched in 2025. After maybe 2 months, will be launched. You must work and work. Very hard to this bot. It's like xempire bot. Will use a script to get a limited coin, but first see how it's work. Like you see, it's based in profit per hour. Here you find your coin. Here profit per hour. Like you see, this is your profit per hour. You can upgrade by improving cards. Like you see, simply you improve cards here. You buy cards with your own coins. There is many cards like that. It based in profit per hour. You must use cards to increase your profit hourly profit. Like you see, it's like bot xempire. Here city, there is animal park. You can buy for some coins. There is a store if you want to buy with stars. There is mystery box. Also, you get one free daily. There is one free daily. Other boxes are with stars. Here tasks, like you see, you do tasks. Here playing by tapping in the screen. This is how it's work. There is auto tapper. If you want to buy auto tapper for 1 hour, it's 10 stars. For 24 hours, for 100 stars. Like you see, there is many other option. Like you see, claim. Like you see, it's paying. Support with 0.1 ton. Like you see, this is all are paid, but we work with free mining. This is our bot, how it's work. We'll use free script. We go to our script. This is our script. You download the script from the link below. You unzip. It support multi-account, do tasks, auto loops, auto join gangs. This is how it's work. This is how it's work. You must install this Termux command for the first, one by one in Termux, 1, 2, 3, 4, one by one. And after that, you download from our link and join the bot. You go to our script. This is our script. After unzipping and doing all necessary files, now we must edit our data.txt. We put nano data.txt. Here we put our query ID or our user. We go to our Telegram. We open our Telegram in Kiwi browser, or link will be in description. You download Kiwi browser. You make in desktop mode. You open web.telegram.org. You download 2 extension in your Xframe header and bypass Telegram. It will be in description. You download the Kiwi browser. You put in desktop mode. After that, you open your Kiwi browser and Xframe. Header extension. This is the first one. You install one by one. This is simple. After that, you install the second extension. You copy and put in your Kiwi browser. This is how to get Queryid ID. We simply, after that, we open our Telegram here and click here and click in bypass Telegram. We copy our Queryid ID like that. You get your Queryid ID. You put in here, you complete Ctrl X Y, then enter ls. Now we run node space bums.js. Now the script is starting to claim free coins for you. Time to like you see, the script is starting, and don't forget you can add more than one account in data.txt. It will do all tasks or tap. After that, you must log in daily to your account and upgrade cards. This is how it's work. It's a very hard project and true project to mine. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.